I think our mission is to stretch the boundaries of education, to help people realize that using tools is in some ways as important as learning to use books.
We have no written instructions when we teach. We teach using models, because to put something together and to see a three-dimensional model in front of you allows you to literally understand the way something is put together.
50 years ago, 100 years ago, the dexterity tools, the actually being able to do things, even in cooking, the world was a different place, and people and children learn skills that they don't learn anymore unless somebody puts tools in their hands and says, hey, figure out how to use these. Some kids especially are more comfortable expressing themselves with things that they can touch and manipulate, than perhaps more comfortable at that kind of expression than expressing themselves in words. And that to be complete, some people need an opportunity to build things that represent what's going on inside of them. There are some experiences that are just plain authentic. That is, that kids, you can see in kids' reaction that it's working for them, that it feels right, that it's like encountering music that you love or words that you love. And our goal is to discover as many of those authentic expressions as possible.